Yes, good afternoon, all of you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes or no? Can you hear me properly? Yes? Yes, fine. Give your answer always in yes or no. There is a even you can write yes at least. Ma'am, please take a test on Kahoot. Okay, I will take a test on Kahoot. Which chapter you have prepared today? Write the name of the chapter. Chapter 4. Fine, good. So let me start before that. So open your Google. Yes, Lavanya, say. Jivisha, do you want to say anything? Unmute yourself. Screen is sharing to you. Now you have to just log in. Join the game with this pin number. Card से download करो. It's okay, fine. No need. Angel sings, after entering at once, don't disturb your device. Leave it as it is. I will give you a 5 minutes to join the test. Yes, Tanuja, well done. Ishan Khatri, good. Just enter with your name. Caring Alfafa कौन है? Type your name over there. जब तक आप अपना वहाँ पे nickname की जगह पे अपना नाम नहीं डालेंगे, ये name नहीं आएगा. Type your name there. I'm removing you. Caring Alpaca कौन है ये? Only 5 minutes you have. 1:15. I will start this. Awesome. Who put his right name on the screen? Awesome. Go right name. Harshvardhan Zahmad. Good. Just go on Google, type Kahoot.8 and write Lata. Who is Lata in class 4? Joyful Lemo. बेटा अपना नाम टाइप करो. जब निकनेम आता है ऑप्शन में तो यू हैव टू टाइप योर नेम. निहारिका, लावण्या, कौस्तुभ, ऋषि, प्रियांका.
Lemon live in water.
Aryan, don't play right now. You have to play later on after the class. The link I have shared in a chat box. Don't play right now. You can play later on. Those who are playing, please don't play right now. Class. The link I have shared, this is only for after the class. This challenge you have to take after the class. Soumil Vijay and Divisha Rupani has started. Don't play right now. This is for the later on. Class के बाद आप वो game play कर सकते हैं. The link that I have shared. More left. 20 players. Yes. Karthik, Kaustubh, Niharika, Lavanya, Priyanshu, Surbi, Tanuja, Harshvardhan, Zaid Ahmed, Aliza, Ishan, Khatri, Angel Singh, Aryan Khan. Look at once in chat. Karthik. Yes. Rest of you all. Let's see the part. Lavanya, it's okay, well done. Priyanshu, enter. Aryan, Bhavya, try it. Harsh Bharti, Harshit Agarwal. Just on Google, type and this 31 participants are there. Why only 20? Harshvardhan is there. Kitar tried to do beta. Kanak Joshi tried to do. Go on Google, type kahoot.8. सर्च करोगे, फिर जैसे ही सर्च करेंगे प्ले गेम आएगा. You have to enter the pin number and after you have the name and then Kitar, Kanak, Kaustubh है, Banali, try this, Rhythm. There's 24 players. Suhani, Soumil, well done. Rishi, Shreya, yes, do it. Okay. Go करने के बाद डिवाइस को टच नहीं कीजिएगा, अदरवाइज यू विल yes, well done. Surbi already in the game. Yes. Tanuja, Vidhi, where you are? Vidhi, Tanuja, just type kahoot.8 that you can see on the screen and enter 866824. और आप चाहें तो Kahoot ऐप पे डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं जिसमें डायरेक्ट Vidhi, Tanuja. Yes, Tanuja is there in the game. Yes, well done. Vidhi, what happened? Vidhi, what happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are Yashika, try to enter. All have to give the test. This is a test. This is not only the game. I will share you the whole report. जो मैंने लिंक शेयर किया है, जो भी गेम प्ले करेगा उसका सारा स्कोर मेरे पास आएगा एंड फाइनली आई विल शेयर दैट रिपोर्ट. इसकी क्या रैंक है? यस लावण्या, व्हाट हैपेंड? 24 में से फिर 20 प्लेयर्स कैसे हो गए? Out of 31, only 22. Aliza, where you are? Yes, Aliza in the game. Good. Harsh Bharti, why you are not trying? Hitarth Madnani, just go on Google. Ishan, Khatri, try. Khushi जस्ट टाइप गूगल पे जाके आपको kahoot.it टाइप करना है और ये पिन नंबर डालना है. अभी पता नहीं क्या नाम आ रहा है आपके, गिविंग स्वान करके कुछ एक नया नाम तो आया है, गिविंग स्वान। हर्षित तो नहीं दिख रहा मुझे इसमें। नाम किसी पे भी हो मेरे पास तो नाम आएगा, आपके स्क्रीन पे भी नाम शो हो रहा होगा। यू आर इन। Yes, done. Almost 10 minutes over. So now I'm going to start. Who is Pooja? 24 से 21 हो गए। आप लोग ना एक बार एंटर करने के बाद डिवाइस को छोड़ दीजिए, डोंट टच इट। इफ यू विल टच इट अगेन एंड अगेन you may be removed. Now time almost over. Who knows animal best? Mammals live in water. Only 2 correct answers. Why? Mammals that live in water. Let's see. Only 2 correct answers given by the Zaid and Aryan. Zaid is 545. Okay. Well done. Now move to the next question. How animals can be different in reproduction? Animals differ in shape, color. Yes, Zaid Ahmed, well done. Next, move to the next questions. Reproduction has with reacting towards the environment, food and nutrients to live, bringing new life. Reproduction की importance क्या है? Why it is important? Only 3 correct answer. Bringing new. Let's see who are 3. Yes, Zaid Ahmed, Kaustubh Sen, and Aliza Asra. Well done. Of the following are all requirements in animals. Yes, requirements of animals: moderate temperature, water, and balanced diet. Only no 0 correct answer. No one has given answers. Good. Changes in an animal's body and behavior to help it survive. Animals के body और behavior में जो change होता है वो उनको survive करने में help करते हैं, which is known as migrate, camouflage. It's correct answer, adaptation. Well done. Again, Zaid is on top. Niharika enter in the game. Well done. Now, mammals are, who are mammals? Mammals, carnivores, herbivores, I don't know, omnivores. Mammals are carnivores, herbivores, or omnivores. Again, on top. Are cats mammal? Cats are mammal or not? Yes or no? Yes. Zaid, Kaustubh, Aliza, Mithul, and Bhavya. Top 5 students. Are humans mammal? दिमाग की बत्ती जला दी. Yes, well done. Again, Zaid, well done. What are the characteristics of all mammals? क्या होती है? 4 chambered heart, covered with fur, born alive, fed milk, feed with milk. All 4 are correct answers. Yes. Next. Well done, Kaustubh. What are the 2 characteristics of all mammals? सभी mammals होते ही feed their young ones 2 legs and feed their young ones with the milk, have 2 legs and 2 arms, feed their young ones with the milk and have of fur. उनकी body पर hair और fur होता है. Yes, Kaustubh, well done. Bhavya, good. Next, true and false. Some mammals can fly. Kaustubh Sen, Zaid Ahmed, Bhavya, well done. All mammals such as this mouse are considered. Correct answer is vertebrate because they have a backbone. Mammals की characteristic होती है उनके backbones होते हैं. Yes, Kaustubh Sen, well done. Now Harshit, Zaid, Mitul, Bhavya, well done. Top 5 students. Humans and whales are both mammals. True or false? Humans and whales are both mammals. Yes, 12 correct answer. True. Yes, again same top 5 students. What are egg-laying animals known as? What are egg-laying animals known as? Viviparous, herbivorous, carnivorous, or reptiles? Only 5 correct answer. Oviparous. Egg-laying animals oviparous, and those who give the birth known as viviparous. Kaustubh Sen, well done. What are the only 2 egg-laying mammals? 2 examples of egg-laying mammals are not egg-laying, but their exceptions are there. 2 egg-laying mammals are platypus and echidna. Yes, 6 correct answer. Well done. Again, Kaustubh Sen, well done. Why do animals migrate? Why do animals migrate? To find food, to stay warm, or to breed? Sometimes more than 2 answers would be there. Yes, to find food, to stay warm, to breed. Okay, so all 3 are correct options. Animals migrate to find food, stay warm, or to breed. Let's see the scoreboard. Again same. Now the Niharika Bansal enter in the game. Top 5. Let's. Which of these animals are empty? Let's see. The stages of an animal's life is called the stages of an animal life is called the yes, 14 correct answer. Life cycle or life cycle. Oh, Kaustubh from top to bottom 5. Well done, Jazz. All have given a correct answer. Where animals naturally live is called, जहाँ पे animals naturally रहते the place where they live naturally is known as habitat. Yes, correct answer is habitat. Only 8 answers. Correct answer. Out of this 5, only 2 has given a correct answer. Bhavya and Harshit. Well done. What name is given to animals that have lived young? What name is given to animals that have lived young?
Yaar.
The correct answer, viviparous. Before 5 minutes. Now next, what is another name for the white of an egg? White part of an egg is known as five correct answer, albumin. Zaid, Bhavya, Niharika, Mithul and Kaustubh. Well done. Which living bird lays the world's smallest egg? वर्ल्ड में सबसे छोटा एग कौन सी लिविंग बर्ड देती है? यस, 9 करेक्ट आंसर बी, हमिंग बर्ड. भव्या, वेरी नाइस. What is this stage of frog life cycle? You look at the pictures and what is this stage of life cycle? Adult frog. Well done. Yes, the same 5-9. Name. What is the correct order of the frog life cycle? Frog life cycle का correct order क्या होता है?
गलत है.
Tadpole, froglet egg, tadpole, froglet frog. Yes, correct order is egg, tadpole, and frog. Let's see. What is the third stage of the life cycle of a frog? Third stage of the life cycle of a frog.
ये भी गलत. लिख दूँ ना? हाँ.
Which is called froglet. Fake in between unnecessary. What happened? Aryan, do you want to say anything? Harsh Bharti?
No, ma'am. The meeting is not connecting properly.
Okay. The changes in the life cycle of frog is called. The changes in the life cycle of a frog is called metamorphosis, which move or change. Yes, correct answer, metamorphosis. Let's see the answer. Yes, Bhavya. Life cycle is defined as, what is the definition of life cycle? How living things grow and change, how best to change, what happens in the life, how to live and change. Definition of life cycle. How things grow and change. Yes, well done. 7 correct answers. The scoreboard is same. Almost same. What is the name of this stage in the butterfly life cycle? You can see the picture. What we call this stage? 6 correct answer. Yes, egg. Same. Top 5 student list. What is the second stage in the life cycle of a butterfly? Second stage in the life cycle of a butterfly: caterpillar, pupa, egg, or butterfly. Then correct, larva or the caterpillar. Yes, well done. Well done. Bhavya, Mithul, Zaid, Harshid and Kaustubh. What is the name of caterpillar stage in the butterfly life cycle? Pupa, egg or larva, adult. The stage. Yes, larva. Well done, Mithul. Good try. Well played. The fourth and final stage of the butterfly life cycle is adult butterfly, big caterpillar, egg or chrysalis. Yes, adult butterfly, 14 correct answer. Well done. What is the series of changes in the life cycle of a butterfly? Series. From this to this. What we call? The term of a butterfly we use mostly. Metamorphosis. Well done. Zaid, Bhavya, Mitul, Harshit, Niharika. Okay. How are the butterfly and the frog life cycle similar? तरह से butterfly और frog की life cycle yes, correct answer. 3 correct answers only I received, and the correct answer is both look different than its parents. दोनों ही जो हैं वो अपने पेरेंट्स से बिल्कुल डिफरेंट दिखते हैं. Yes, Mitul, Zaid, Bhavya, Harshit, Aryan, well done. Which of the following terms should use to label the life cycle of cockroaches? Mary is studying the life cycle of cockroaches. He draws the picture below. इन्होंने ये पिक्चर है, उसके लिए हम क्या term use? Egg, nymph, and adult. The main 3 stages of the cockroaches are egg, nymph, and adult. Let's see. Yes, Mitul, well done. Next, which term should be used to label the main stages of the life cycle? Again, repeat. Next, which term could Maria use for the main stages of the life cycle of cockroach? In any life cycle, reproduction can only occur in what stage? किसी भी life cycle में reproduction जो है वो किस stage में होती है? Adult stage, eating stage, plant stage or living stage? Yes, correct answer, adult stage. Let's see the scoreboard. Mitul, Zaid, Bhavya, Harshit, and Aryan Khanchandani. Well done. Which is the beginning stage of both the life cycle of the butterfly and the grasshopper? Egg, larva, nymph, or pupa? 9 correct answers received, and the correct answer is egg. Well done. Same. What function does the yolk of bird egg serve? Yolk of a bird egg serve. Yolk का क्या function होता है? Food supply, temperature control, protection or friction reduction? Yes, food supply. Next, the albumin of egg is also called the egg yolk, shell, egg white or air shell. Egg white. Okay. Same top 5 students. Which part of an egg is made up of albumin? The white part. Yes. Well done, Bhavya. Only flying mammal that can fly. Correct answer, bat. 10 correct answer I have received. The correct answer is bat. Bhavya, Mutwani, well done. Bhavya, Mitul, Zaid, Aryan, and Harshit. True and false. Mammals do not take care of their young ones. Yes, the correct answer, false. They take care of their young ones. That's why they are mammals. Same scoreboard is same. the name of this student. The fish egg covered by Z. Yes, two. Bhavya, Mitul, Zaid, Aryan and well played. Most reptiles do not take care of their eggs or babies. True or false? Yes, true. Let's move ahead. Maggot is the larva of a house fly. True. Yes, Bhavya, Mitul, Aryan, Zaid and Harshit. The process sitting on eggs to hatch them by the warmth of the body is called incubation. Same five. Three more questions. Baby cockroach that out of the egg is called two. Yes, well done. Next. How long does it take for the hen chicks to hatch? Yes, correct answer. 3 weeks. Second last question. Sorry, last question. Living things live forever. Yes, false. They cannot live things. The living things cannot live forever. That's why they reproduce to continue their life. So well done, well played, all of you. Let's see the final five students on the screen. Bhavya Motwani, 32 correct answers out of 51. ठीक है. Aryan and Mitul. Aryan has given 28 correct answers and 32 with Mitul. So this is the final scoreboard. Who knows animals best? Junior geologist. That's all for today. Even though जो लोग नहीं टेस्ट नहीं दे पाए हैं, they can give. I have shared a link in the chat box. Copy from there. आप वहाँ से copy करके paste कर सकते हो, है ना? In a WhatsApp कहीं भी and you can play. आप उस लिंक को कॉपी कर लीजिए on the WhatsApp group. किसी भी WhatsApp ग्रुप पे आप कॉपी कर सकते हैं. ये सारे
मैम वो लिंक एक बार और भेज दो.
Again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, again I am sharing. You can copy this link. आप इस कॉपी करके कहीं भी आप इसको सेव रख सकते हैं. You can play later on. आप बाद में खेल सकते हैं. This is a challenge for you. जो लोग भी इसको play करेगा, I will receive the name. मेरे पास name होगा and I will share the rank. मैं share कर लूंगी. ठीक है? all the class have to participate in the test. ये एक तरह का टेस्ट है, ठीक है? You can see the chat box बेटा. I have shared in a chat box. वो लिंक मैंने अभी आप लोगों को chat box में शेयर किया है. From there. Have you received Aryan? आपको?
Ma'am, link is not copy.
Not copied. Okay, then
Yes,
I will give to the ma'am. अभी डायरेक्टली टैप करो, इट इज ओपनिंग. आप टैप करो एक बार, ओपन हो रहा है.
मैम टैप में तो हो जाता है मैम, लेकिन कॉपी करते हैं मैम कॉपी नहीं होता है.
अभी तो ओपन हो रही है ना, तो यू कैन डू वन थिंग. अभी आप टैप करो इसको. राइट नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू टैप. इस लिंक को टैप करो. सभी के फोन में ये चैलेंज ओपन हो जाए. यू कैन प्ले राइट नाउ. आप वापस से इसको अभी खेलो इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. अभी इसको टैप कीजिए. टिल देन, जब तक मैं क्लास ओवर नहीं करती हूँ, ये लिंक यहाँ पे होगी एंड यू कैन प्ले इट. आपने कितने गेम्स, कितने क्वेश्चंस के आंसर दिए हैं, कितने करेक्ट आंसर, कितने इनकरेक्ट आंसर, ये सब. व्हाट हैपेंड टू यू विदी? व्हाट यू आर डूइंग विदी?
यस मैम.
व्हाट
मैम ने डाल दी.
व्हाई यू आर सो एक्साइटेड? कार्तिक, डू यू वांट टू से एनीथिंग? ऑल ऑफ यू टैप ऑन दिस लिंक. इस लिंक पे टैप करो. दिस गेम विद द चैलेंज, ये चैलेंज आप लोगों का ओपन हो जाएगा एंड यू कैन प्ले इट नाउ. अभी खेल सकते हैं आप. यस हर्षवर्धन, यू वांट टू से एनीथिंग? Unmute yourself. Karthik, unmute. Do you want to say anything? No?